Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the TSTS Classical Guitar 650 string length replacement neck. This component is presented as an option for guitar enthusiasts and players seeking to replace or upgrade their instrument's neck. The primary material highlighted is rosewood. According to the details, this particular rosewood exhibits a striking appearance, often displaying black and red hues that become quite beautiful once oiled. It's characterized by a fine texture and noticeable grain patterns, contributing to its visual appeal. In terms of sound, rosewood is generally associated with a full tonal quality. The information specifies that this wood helps produce deep bass frequencies, and its high hardness contributes to a warm overall sound. These sonic attributes are key factors for players considering a neck replacement. The design of this TSTS neck is described as exquisite and precise. This level of detail suggests it's crafted with care, making it not only a functional part, but also potentially a thoughtful gift for someone passionate about guitars. It's positioned as a simple and easy-to-install replacement, specifically designed for guitar neck replacement. The combination of its aesthetic qualities, the tonal properties of the rosewood, and its design focused on precision and ease of use makes it an interesting option for those looking to enhance or repair their classical guitar. The color is noted as black, adding another element to its appearance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.